Stop killing your aloe with expensive fertilizer. Today I will show you free trick that works better than $20 Miracle Grow bottle, and it takes only 5 minutes. Make free aloe fertilizer in 5 minutes. Better than Miracle Grow $20 bottle. Most people water aloe every day and add chemical fertilizer that burns the roots. That is why leaves turn yellow and plant dies slowly. But aloe needs only calcium and good drainage, so today I will make free liquid fertilizer using only eggshells from your kitchen, zero cost. Take 8 to 10 eggshells, wash them properly and dry in sun for 2 hours. Grind them into fine powder using mixer. The finer the powder, the faster calcium releases. Add 4 spoons of this powder into 1 liter water that you kept for 24 hours to remove chlorine. Cover the bottle and keep for 24 hours. Shake it 2 times a day. How to use after 1 day. Your free fertilizer is ready now. Take only 50 ml per plant and pour directly into soil once every month, not on leaves. I have used this for 6 months and my aloe became twice thicker than before without spending single dollar. Eggshell calcium makes aloe leaves thick and strong so they do not fall and break easily. You spend $0 on fertilizer because kitchen waste works better than store-bought products. No chemicals means no root burn, so your plant stays healthy for many years. Regular use gives you more baby plants from 1 mother aloe, so you can grow 10 plants from 1 leaf. Eggshell particles keep soil loose so water does not stay and cause root rot. You save money and also reduce kitchen waste, so it is good for your pocket and good for environment and eco-friendly. This free trick gives same green color and growth that people get from $20 bottle. Try this today and comment below how many new pups your aloe made in 30 days, and do not forget to like and share with other plant lovers.